Hi there, all moms and dads. I am Anusha, and once upon a time, I was a software developer. It's not that I have completely stopped doing software development now, I still do it in bits and pieces. It's just that I am exploring a lot with new endeavors and venturing into new arenas. One of these, and mind you, this takes most of my time, is motherhood. My son is now 8 years old and he's as crazy about learning new things as I am. He loves learning from me and I enjoy it immensely too. But there are so many activities which are better if they are learned in a group with other kids. So, what we did was we had a summer camp last year. There were a lot of activities, kids had a lot of fun, I enjoyed a lot. And then, as a result of it, we continued to have some activities, some fun activities throughout the year. However, this summers, of course, we couldn't have any classes or anything, and I was becoming quite lethargic as well. But then I connected with a few relatives, with a few cousins of mine, with a few friends about their kids and the way they were expressing their concerns that kids are not being engaged properly, kids are being more and more aggressive due to the lockdown. I started feeling very bad about all the lethargy. I felt that I should do something about it. I should do something for these kids. Alright, so what exactly makes me think that I'm capable of doing something about it? Well, here's the thing. I did not aspire to become a teacher at any point in my life, but during all these activities, while I was conducting all these activities for kids, I observed that I have a gift with most of the kids. I'm able to connect real well, I'm able to engage them really well. If I am reciting a story, they actually are really into the story, totally connected, totally into me, totally looking at me. So I thought that I should do something, and for the weekends, I'm planning some activities, some classes for the kids, which should actually engage them. So here's the thing, I don't want children to join these classes, these weekend sessions, just for the sake of learning something new. What I instead want is these sessions should become so rewarding for kids that you as parents should be able to bribe your kids that okay, if you are going to do this and this, you get to go to your weekend class. I'm not saying that you do that all the time. What I'm saying is that it should be that rewarding. How do we ensure that? Because there's so many activities, coding, speech and dramatics, and computer graphics. We have QMath as well. But how do we ensure that which activity is the child enjoying the most? Is the child finding actually rewarding? Is becoming like a stress buster for the child? How do we ensure that? See, I have come up with one idea that we should have not one, not two, not three, but four free demos with all these activities being illustrated very well, explained very well so the child can explore it. And then finally, we together, you as the parents, the child, and myself, we can see, we can observe what is that the child is enjoying, and we can continue with those activities for the children. So that's how my vision is looking like right now. If your goal for your children aligns with my vision, please ping me, please get in touch. So the registration for these free demos is not going to be it's gonna be free of cost altogether, but we need to have a chit chat before the demo so that we can ensure that we are on the same page. I understand what are you expecting out of these demos, and there are no more confusions. All right then, thank you so much. All the details would be there in the text description below. Bye bye. Thanks for listening to this video. Thank you. Bye bye.